Hello, it's Chris, one of the Breaks and Activities workers for the Carer Centre. This week we'll be making 3 different paper planes. You can follow the instructions in the video to make your own. After you have made them, why not record a video of the test flight and send them in to us? Or let us know which is your favourite or even flies the best. For this week, all you need is a few sheets of paper and possibly some pens or pencils, maybe even some paint if you really want to decorate them. So, let's get started. To begin, we are going to fold vertically down the paper directly in half, making sure that the edges line up. Once you've done that, you're going to make sure you crease in that fold. So you might want to use a teaspoon or your thumbnail to make sure that it's nice and flat. After you've done that, you're going to unfold the paper, and at the top side of the paper, you are going to fold the top corners in so that the edges meet the fold at the very centre of the paper that you have just done. You are going to repeat that on both sides. After you have done those folds, you are then going to fold the corners that you have just made into the centre again, so that yet again the edge meets the centre, as you can see in the video. Once you have done this, you are going to fold the paper airplane in half so that all of the folds you've just made are at the centre. Once you've done that, you're going to create the wings by taking the top corners and folding it down to the fold at the bottom, just as you have done for the wings. You're going to repeat that on both sides. To begin with, you are going to fold over a small lip of the paper and fold it the whole way along. After you have finished that step, you are then going to fold the width of paper, the same width, over again on itself. So you are basically rolling the paper over on itself. You will continue this step until it gets to about halfway down the page. After you have finished rolling the paper, you are going to fold it in half across the folds that you have already made, and make sure you crease the lining. After finishing this step, you are going to create the wings. You are going to make a fold about 2 centimeters off the fold that you have just made and fold the rest down over. You will then repeat this on both sides to create the wings. For this last and final plane, what you're going to be doing is it's going to be a little bit more complex. So, the first step is going to be to fold it in half horizontally. You're going to make sure you score that crease in by either, yet again, running a nail or a spoon against the side of it. Once you've done that, you're going to unfold the sheet of paper. You are then going to fold the corners into the centre to line up with the fold that you've just made. You will repeat this on both sides of the sheet of paper. After that, you are going to fold the top point down over the bottom edge of the sheet of paper, ensuring that it overhangs slightly. You will then fold that point back over where it came from, creating a sort of concertina, and score that in. From here, you will fold the paper aeroplane in half, and you will then create the wings. To do this, we are going to fold the wing down so that the edge reaches the bottom fold, and you will repeat this on both sides. Well, there you have it. There's the 3 paper aeroplanes. Why not send us in an email and let us know just how well they've done? We'll look forward to seeing them. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. See you next time.